Replacing a toilet handle trip lever requires only a couple of basic tools and a clear sequence of steps. Start by shutting off the water to the toilet and flushing to drain most of the tank. Then remove the tank lid and set it aside on a soft surface. Most modern trip levers are secured with a plastic or metal nut on the inside of the tank that unscrews by turning toward the back of the tank. So have a pair of pliers ready to grip and turn that nut. Use tongue and groove pliers for better purchase on stubborn fittings, and protect porcelain by wrapping the pliers' jaws with a rag if needed. Keep a screwdriver available because some older or specialty handles are fastened with a small screw through the handle base, and a flathead screwdriver is the most common size required. Once the old nut and handle are removed, align the new handle shaft with the hole in the tank and thread the replacement nut by hand until snug. Then finish tightening with pliers so it is secure but not over-tightened to avoid cracking the tank. Attach the chain or lift wire to the new lever arm, leaving a little slack so the flapper closes fully, but not so much that the handle needs excessive travel to seat the flapper. Test by flushing a few times and making small adjustments to chain length until the flush is responsive and the flapper seals reliably. If instructions accompany the replacement handle, follow them for any model-specific details, and keep a towel handy for small leaks or drips. Common mistakes include over-tightening the nut, which can crack the porcelain tank. Avoid this by snugging by hand first and finishing with only a quarter turn from pliers. Another frequent issue is attaching the chain too tight or too loose, which causes incomplete flushes or continuous running. Aim for 1/2 inch to 1 inch of slack between the lever arm and the flapper when the flapper is closed. A third problem is not protecting the tank lid or porcelain during work, causing chips or cracks. Set the lid on a towel away from the work area and wrap pliers with a rag when gripping near porcelain. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and resources relevant to toilet repairs and general plumbing projects, and we also help contractors find work by listing project opportunities and leads. We host a discussion community where users and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about tools and techniques.